So I bet you were thinking all Tsumbay made was awesome earbuds and headphones. Well, yeah, they do that and they do it pretty good. But they also make other stuff like this air compressor I got, man. Y'all gotta check this out. Okay, so this air compressor, it has a digital readout on the top. And basically, if you're gonna use it for your car, it's super compact. You can just throw it in your trunk. But it has a digital readout on the top of it where you can actually just set it to whatever you want it at, maybe 34, 35 PSI, and then attach it to your car valve, your tire valve, and then just hit the start button, and then it goes. And the cool thing about it is it stops when it gets there. It doesn't keep compressing air into your tire, so it won't blow up or anything like that. But it'll actually just stop and it'll cut itself off once it actually reaches that PSI. So here's the deal. Unboxing this thing, there wasn't a whole lot of stuff in the box itself. It was just, some accessories, maybe, if you need to air up a football or maybe like one of those fitness balls. It's got an attachment for that. And the hose for it is actually attached to it. And then, it has its on and off button and, the stuff like that, and the digital readout. Oh, and there's also a little flashlight just in case you think the boogeyman's gonna come get you. So my car is supposed to be set at 32 in the front and 34 in the back. It's been really cold outside, so I've been losing a lot of air pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump mine up. I'm gonna set the front to 32 and I'll set the back to 34. And let's air this thing up, see how well it puts air in the tire, how quickly, and see if this thing actually works. All in all, I am actually pretty impressed with this thing. I was actually having a hard time at first thinking, why do I need to keep this thing in my car? But to be honest with you, I like the fact that it's so small and compact and it works so fast. It actually aired up my tires pretty quick, and the fact that I didn't even have to be there, I could have, I just set it on my tire and went and did something else real quick and then came back to it and it was already shut off with the proper inflation. That was actually pretty cool. And a huge bonus is it's not rechargeable or anything like that. You just plug it into your cigarette lighter or your auxiliary port, or you can actually hook it up to your battery and you have power that way. So you don't have to worry about charging it or anything like that. So this thing has definitely got a home in the back of my trunk because it's so small and compact, and you never know when you might need it, man. My pressure was low. I'm all good to go now, so it's time to hit them streets. Look, I ain't claiming to be an expert in this kind of stuff. I just don't like my tires flat. But before I get out of here, hey, y'all go ahead and make sure you hit that notification button, man. YouTube has been doing some screwy stuff. Hit that notification button so y'all can see my next review, and then y'all can tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all with the next one.